this video we will discuss about list. Before I have discussed one video about list. Now this is part second. So we will discuss further some more method about list. Here I have one list, num list. Today we will discuss one by one. So here, if you want to delete a member from list, so you can use del keyword. If you want to delete a specific member from list, you can use del keyword. Here I want to delete the third number 3 of index. So what is number 3? 8. So when I will run this code, you can see here the first when I assign the value in this list to 4, 6, 8, 20 and 50. Now I have used the del keyword to delete the specific member on a specific index. So right now when I print again the num list, it will, it shows me 2, 4, 6, 20, 50. So what does this keyword? This keyword delete the specific index member in list. And the next function is looping. So we will use here for loop, and then I will iterate this list using for loop. So here when I will run this cell, it will give me one by one each of the element from this list. You can see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, 50. So you can iterate, you can pull out one by one each element from list using for loop. Now I am using the range function to iterate this list. So what I am doing here, I am using the length of this list as a range, and I will run the for loop on this range. It will give me the number, the length of this list. Here it gives me the value of the member, but here it is giving me the positional 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because here I have used the length function. Length function you can use to measure how many character or how many strings are there in the list. Here I have this list, new list, and in this list total 5 elements are there. So we will use the sort method. You can see here it is sorted in an alphabetic manner. So when you see banana, kiwi, mango, orange and pineapple, if you are using the numerical value, it will give you the ascending order or descending order. Here if you want to sorting in descending order, you can use reverse. So here reverse is equal to true. So when I will use this true, it will sort the thing in descending order. You can see here it is in descending order. Now here I am using this num list and I want to sort it in reverse order. So what I will do here, I will just write here reverse is equal to true. So when you write here reverse is equal to true, it will give you the value in a reverse manner, and if you write here false, it will give you the ascending order. Here I want to copy this list. Here I want to make a copy of this list, num list. So what I will do, I will use simply copy method to make it copy. And if you want to copy but not in a different variable, you want to copy and you want to put in same variable, you can use other function. Later I will tell you about this function. Here I have two lists and I want to join all two, list 1 and list 2, and I am using here plus operator to concat this all two list, and I will put it in list 3 variable. So I will just use the operator plus and run the cell. It is just add the next list together. So here you can see ABC plus 1, 2, 3. So it add the two list and make it one list. If you don't want to assign different variable for the result, then what you can do, you can just use extend function. So when you will use extend function, it will just add the second list into first list. So it directly add the second list into first list, and it is not create the next variable, third variable. But here when you see this 28, row number 28, it is used third variable to store it. But here it is not used third variable. It is used first variable to store the element of second variable. Now let's summarize what I have learned. So you can use del keyword to delete any specific member from the list. You can use for loop to iterate over the list. You can sort it. You can sort it in reverse order. You can copy the list. You can add two lists in third variable. You can add two lists within one variable. If you want to add two lists from one list to another, you can use extend. and the next last one is list comprehension. So about list comprehension we will talk about in next video.